I wanted to make this short recording for you here in the Dominican Republic. One of our pastors coming home from a revival, 19 people in the back of a pickup truck. This is how they go from meeting to meeting. The wheel came loose, the truck lost control coming home from a revival, and another truck hit them from behind. 9 people were killed, 10 in critical care. One was one of our pastors. When I went to visit the families, the widow of the pastor, another 29 years old, Pastor Julio, his wife, and I went to visit another little lady, 22 years old, who lost her husband, leaving behind between the two families 3 orphans. And when I saw the church, the people that were broken there in the hospital, and I saw the need, and I went and saw the little church, a very, very poor neighborhood. And I saw this tattered bridge that they had to cross to get to the church, and they told me that when it rains, the water rises up 14 feet high, and it's not even passable to get. They cannot even pass through it or walk on the bridge to get to the church. And I saw this, and I saw this little church made out of block and tin. I saw the hunger of the people. I saw the brokenness of the people through the loss of their pastor. And the Lord moved me with compassion. Remember when Jesus had compassion? He took 5 loaves and 2 fishes, fed the multitudes, and had 12 baskets left over. And Jude says, some having compassion made a difference. Something just moved in my heart and said, rebuild, tear that old bridge out and build a new bridge. And we've done this, and so far I've put $2,000 into this project. $1,000 of it was my own money that I needed for my truck payment. But the Lord said, do it. And we poured concrete columns, and now we're prepared to pour concrete, the walkway of the bridge and the rails, so on and so forth. I'm needing about another $2,800 to complete the project. If God stirs you like He stirred me, if you feel this, build this bridge for this congregation, his wife, and his little son that he's left behind, 3 years old. If God moves you like He moves me, could you help me with this project? I'd like to pour the walkway this week. The pillars are finished. It's going to be a strong bridge, a good bridge, and these people will be able to walk to church in dignity. And I want to do it in memory of the pastor. And if you don't mind, I'd like to put you a name there also as those who helped build this bridge. And every time the people walk across the bridge and they see the little easel with a picture of the pastor and the names of the Americans that helped, I'm putting it down there in Spanish, a little prayer that they should pray for you. I know the blessings of God are going to come to you. You've been so good in so many areas, but I just felt led to make this recording for you. I love it with all my heart and all my soul. I'm over here doing the best I can, put my best foot forward. I love you guys. Bye-bye.